My name is Sydney and I interned for the maintenance team. What I wanted to accomplish in this internship was to really have a deeper understanding of landscape architecture, how properties take design into installing them, and then a year down the road and kind of seeing how much something can change and how much irrigation affects things and how much behind the scenes make a design a good design. And I think that's something I'm definitely going to take forward with me. Someone should do an internship at Designscapes, Colorado, because it is a very well-rounded program. A lot of it was doing stuff on my own and then kind of working with Cora side by side, less of underneath her, which was kind of a floor thing. If offered a job at Designscapes, Colorado, I would accept it. There's definitely levels that you can reach, which is always a great opportunity, and I think that the community is really great as well, so it would be a good place to work.